I want to introduce you your little kitchen helper, Koju. Multifunctional product. You can make mincer and juice. Very easy to assemble, super powerful function. It's BPA free, modern sleek design. It holds excellent juice yield. You can make all kind of fruit juice, especially wheatgrass, pomegranate and fresh tomato juice. The mincer part contains different tools, which you can make pasta shapes such as spaghetti and macaroni. You can also make homemade sausage. I love Koju. Koju for life.